As a personal injury lawyer, I know that every month is different. Every year is different. The income streams are up and down. And so not knowing how long a case will take and how long our money will be tied up can be a very, very stressful thing. My name is Nathan Stucky. I'm an attorney at the Stucky Firm. The Stucky Firm is a personal injury law firm. We have offices in Springfield, Columbus, and Wheeling, West Virginia.
We represent only injury victims and their families who have been harmed as a result of someone else's negligence.
Our business as a plaintiffs law firm that works on contingency fees and routinely spends our own dollars working up those cases from an expense standpoint, waiting multiple years before resolution occurs. That can be a very big strain. And so having the relationship with Esquire Bank has provided us with an ability to practice and focus on our clients. I was first introduced to Esquire Bank through the Ohio Association for Justice. I am not one to seek change, but I recognized very soon after speaking and meeting with representatives of Esquire, including the owners, they understood what I go through every day. Esquire Bank is run by trial lawyers. As trial lawyers, I know we've all struggled with the traditional commercial banking institutions and their inability to understand our business. Being able to look at a spreadsheet of cases and their ability to understand the values of those cases, the length and time that those cases may take to resolution, that is one thing that sets Esquire Bank apart.
It's invaluable, frankly, that Esquire understands the plaintiff's personal injury law firm. Traditional banks were never willing to recognize the value of our case inventory. Before joining Esquire Bank, we really felt limited in what our growth opportunity would be for these additional locations.
We were either self-funded, self-financed, or we dealt with a lot of the red tape that comes with many of the commercialized banking institutions. Esquire Bank has allowed us to take steps in growing our business before maybe we would have been able to in the past. Having the ability to access lines of credit has been a game changer for us. Rather than having our money wrapped up in case expenses, we're able to use that money for marketing. We're able to use that money to open a new office.
Financial strength is key to helping us fight the battles of our clients. Finding Esquire at the time that we were ready to make these changes and additions gave us an incredible amount of security and ability to add additional staff. We partnered with Esquire Bank at the time that we opened for our Columbus office. We had immediate working capital. We had the support for our case expenses, and having that backstop of our banking relationship with Esquire gave us a lot of confidence to make bold decisions, which have turned out to be amazing for our company.
Esquire Bank has provided our firm with many different banking solutions. Not only do we have a traditional business checking account, we have a client trust account, an IOLTA.
Our transition to Esquire Bank couldn't have been smoother. One of the advantages of banking with Esquire is that I basically have my bank sitting at my desk. I can make the deposits, I can move any of the money around that we need. Everyone that I've worked with at Esquire have been accessible, immediately responsive, and I have solutions within minutes.
Esquire Bank has allowed us to streamline many processes. It has allowed us to complete different transactions within our firm in a quicker amount of time, which then allows us to serve clients faster. As the president of OAJ, knowing Esquire Bank and their people the way I do has given me a sense of relief. With Esquire Bank, you're going to deal with professionals who know your business. They're here to support not only you, your firm, and your daily activity, but they're there to help you serve your client and serve and promote our mission as trial lawyers.